Gary Gensler has been making the news recently, talking about how basically all crypto is a security. As a tax attorney, I'm going to break down the SEC's real power and what this means for crypto. Before I dive into everything, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. As a recap, Gary recently had an interview with New York Magazine, and he's quoted saying that everything else other than Bitcoin is a security. If this is true, then we are on the horizon of a lot of enforcement action and a lot of violations by many crypto projects that were trying to do things on the right side of the law. It's pretty apparent to myself as a tax attorney and in working in the crypto industry that not all crypto other than Bitcoin are securities. So this is definitely a misleading and hopefully a statement that they will retract in the future. Although Gary said this to the New York Magazine, it's yet to be seen if this will be considered an official statement of the SEC. If this is, then it does have a large impact because the SEC has very wide enforcement authority. And so if it is able to enforce against all crypto projects, it could be very devastating to the crypto industry. The SEC seems to be on a warpath against crypto, most recently against Kraken. In that case, they required Kraken to not only pay a large penalty, but stop their staking service, a service that's been provided to US customers for several years. It's yet to be seen what more the SEC will do against the crypto industry, but one thing is certain, these events are definitely significant and can impact the industry for years to come. One of the ongoing cases against the SEC is SEC versus Ripple. And in this case, it is yet to be seen if Ripple is going to be considered by the court as a security. The Ripple team has been fighting hard, and this is pretty unique because most crypto projects settle quite quickly with the SEC. But with Ripple, we'll see hopefully a court decision that better defines what exactly is required for a security. After the fall of FTX, most people expected additional government enforcement and regulation. But what we're seeing today is enforcement, but no clarity on regulation. What this means is that it will be much more difficult for new projects to create technology and try to stay on the right side of the law, because there is no clear regulation, and instead we just have examples of what happens when you do things wrong and the SEC goes after you. SEC enforcement and how it might impact crypto may keep you up at night. But one area of crypto that is more settled and we can help with is taxes. Please check out our crypto tax guide, which has many frequent common questions and answers that will help you prepare and file your taxes. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment on this video if you want to hear more about our thoughts on these recent crypto events.